If you use Microsoft Word and want to make your documents look cleaner, more visual, or more professional, then learning how to insert shapes is a really useful skill. Shapes can help you create callouts, arrows, boxes, labels, diagrams, and simple design elements in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to insert shapes in Word step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Word document. You can start with a blank document or a document you're already working on. Once Word is open, look at the top ribbon and click the Insert tab. This is where Microsoft Word keeps tools for adding extra elements like pictures, tables, icons, and, of course, shapes. After you click Insert, look for the Illustrations group. In that section, you'll see the Shapes option. Click Shapes to open the full shape gallery. Word gives you a wide range of options here, including lines, rectangles, arrows, circles, stars, flowcharts, symbols, and more. So take a moment to find the shape that best fits what you want to create. Once you've selected your desired shape, your mouse pointer will change, which means Word is ready for you to draw the shape onto the page. Now go to the part of the document where you want the shape to appear, click and drag your mouse across the page, and release when the shape is the size you want. Word will place it directly into the document. If the shape doesn't look quite right the first time, don't worry. You can easily resize it by clicking on the shape and dragging the corner handles. You can also move it by clicking and dragging it to another part of the page. This makes it very easy to position the shape exactly where you want it. After inserting the shape, Word will also give you formatting options so you can customize the look. You can change the fill color, outline color, thickness, effects, and more using the shape formatting tools. That means you can make a shape stand out, match your document theme, or fit a presentation style layout. If you're building a report, a worksheet, a newsletter, or even a simple instructional document, shapes can help organize information and make the page easier to understand at a glance. For example, you can use boxes to highlight key points, arrows to show direction, or circles to emphasize important items. So to quickly review, go to the Insert tab, click Shapes in the Illustrations group, choose the shape you want, and drag it onto your document. That's all it takes to insert shapes in Word. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.